Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the development of RBC. There are the following steps. The first step is the myeloblast is converted into the promyelocytes, and then it converted into the megakaryocytes. And fourth stage is the neutrophil myelocytes, and fifth is the metamyelocytes, and sixth is band cells. Neutrophils is the 7, and next 9 positions and 10 is converted into. There are the stages of the monocytes and the different structures. Next is the factor affecting granulopoiesis. First is the interleukin IL-1 produced by the macrophage act on the early progenitor cells to stimulate their proliferations and also enhances the effector function of all type of leukocytes. Tumor necrosis factor produced by the macrophages and has same function as the IL-1. Granulocytes macrophage colony stimulating factor GM-CSF produced by fibroblast vesicular endothelial cells and the T lymphocytes. Next is the interleukin 3 IL-3 multi-CSF produced by T lymphocytes stimulates the proliferations of all peripheral blood cells. Granulocytes colony stimulating factor G CSF produced by monocytes, fibroblasts and endothelial cells stimulate the proliferation of precursor cells of only granulocyte series. Macrophages colony stimulating factor MCSF produced by macrophages, fibroblasts and endothelial cells specifically the stimulate the proliferation of precursor of macrophages. Next is the kinetic stem cells compartment, meiotic compartment, maturation storage compartment and circulating granulocytes pool, marginal granulocytes pool. There are the neutrophils in blood and precursor in bone marrow. Lifespan granulocytes 4 to 8 hours in circulation, another 4 to 5 days in the tissue where they are needed. Monocytes 10 to 20 hours in blood, month here in tissue as the macrophages, lymphocytes weeks, month. The recirculate from the lymph node and other lymphoid area to blood and back again. Reticuloendothelial system, monocytes, macrophages, cell system, tissue macrophages in the skin and the subcutaneous tissue, histiocytes, macrophages in lymph node, alveolar macrophages in the lung and macrophages in the liver, sinusoid, Kupffer cells and macrophages of the spleen and the bone marrow, littoral cells. Function of the reticuloendothelial system. The RES act as a physiological unity, ingest and destroy the RBC and the form and release the bilirubin and also destroy leukocytes and platelets. Ingest bacteria, ingest and the process antigen which then stimulate antibody formation in the plasma cells. So in today's class I discuss about the various factor of the granulopoiesis and WBC formation. Thank you for watching.